Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix the swipe reply feature not working on Instagram. So once you go on over onto the Instagram application and then choose a specific chat that you'd like to go ahead and use, well, of course, I'm going to go ahead and use this for this example, and I'm going to show you guys that when you go ahead and swipe it like this, of course, you're going to have the option to reply to the chat, but on other accounts, this won't be available. So what could be the reasons as to why this is not going to be working on our account? So what we could actually do to solve this issue is the main reasons as to why this may be happening is that we don't have the latest version of Instagram installed onto our device. So what we need to do is to go ahead and search for the Instagram application on the App Store and then proceed with making sure that we are using the latest version of the application on our device. So if you do have an update available, I would like you guys to proceed with updating your application to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed. Next, the last thing or another thing that we could also do to solve this issue is to make sure that we have linked our Facebook with our Instagram. So to make sure of this, what we need to actually do first is to proceed with tapping on our profiles, tapping on our three lines, and then tapping on settings and privacy, and then going to your accounts center. Now, once you're already on your account center, let's tap on account profiles over here, and then proceed with tapping on add account in the case that you haven't added your Facebook account just yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to do so, and you are good to go. And essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.